Chapter 21, Lesson 3, The Importance of the Individual. Jane Goodall says, "What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make." President Teddy Roosevelt says, "The nation behaves well if it treats the resources as assets, which it must turn over to the next generation, increased and not impaired in value." Sir David Attenborough, "Surely we have a responsibility to leave for future generations a planet that is healthy and habitable by all species." How do we affect the environment? By our daily actions. Do we recycle? Are we using resources sustainably? By learning about environmental problems and solutions, we are able to make responsible decisions and help others make similar choices. History has shown that one individual can have an influence on many others. So what you do can influence others around you. What have we done to raise awareness of environmental issues? During the 1960s, environmental issues such as pollution, rapid population growth, and resource depletion became widely known. We had the Wilderness Act of 1965. It set aside federal lands as wilderness areas where you can do low-impact recreation such as hiking or camping. The first Earth Day was April 22nd, 1970, to demonstrate public concern for environmental issues. How can you apply your knowledge? Voting. Your civic responsibility. In 7th grade, when you guys took civics, you learned all about voting, how every vote counts. Voting is one of the most important decisions that you will make as an adult. And you need to support the candidate and laws that you think are best. Weighing the evidence. Think globally, act locally. Everyday actions have broader effects. Find reliable resources on the internet, in libraries, and in the media. Use more than one source and evaluate information for bias. Some sources, some radio shows or magazines or newspapers might be biased towards one topic. You have to actually get all the information before you vote. Consumer choices. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Choose products that are produced sustainably or that do less damage to the environment. Volunteer when you can. Daily living. The choices you make every day can have an impact on the environment. The choices that you make can influence the behavior of others too.